When it comes to doing a maternity photo shoot, there are three things I believe every expecting mother should let their maternity photographer take care of. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, and I am an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I want to let you know the three things I feel like you should let your maternity photographer handle for you. The first thing is coming up with an idea and creating you a custom background, creative background. Your job should be to tell your maternity photographer the story you desire to capture with your maternity portraits. Then they should take the information you give them and bring it to life. Your job should not be finding the different props, building them, putting them together, breaking them down, or any of the creative details when it comes to putting stuff together. Why? Because you should be focusing on nesting and enjoying the moments you have pregnant. Number two, planning and providing everything for your maternity photo shoot. You should let your maternity photographer take care of the planning and coordinating of everything for you, from who's going to do your hair, who's going to do your makeup, to what to wear, how you're going to get to the shoot, what are you going to eat. All of the little logistics of your maternity photo shoot should be handled by your maternity photographer. And last but not least, when it comes to what you do with your photos after, let your maternity photographer handle that. Where to print them at, how to install them in your home, what framing to choose. All of those things are what your maternity photographer should handle for you. Typically, maternity photographers work with professional printing companies that can deliver the best quality products that can last forever. Not CVS, not your mom and pop shop. Let your maternity photographer take care of the afters and what you do with your memories after for you. So if you are a mom and you are considering doing a maternity photo shoot, those are the three things you should leave for your maternity photographer to take care of. Comment below which thing you don't mind passing off to your maternity photographer to take care of you, and I'll catch you on the next video.